Okay, so our live. Hmm. So Shrikar is there. Hello, Shrikar. How are you? And one important thing today, we don't have any guest. We don't have the dev talk, and that is because a simple reason. I want a little break from the dev talk so that I can talk to you personally, just like I was doing a couple of weeks before. So, how all are you? How's 2021 going on? And what exactly you are learning nowadays? So, who is here? Please say hi, hello, anything. Okay, so Yash, good morning. Good morning, Yash. How are you? And what's your plan for Sunday? Shrikar, I was not able to see you. Seems like your video started in half. Is it the issue with everyone? Oh, Amitabh is there. Thank you, Amitabh. So, is there everything fine? Like video, audio? How are you? I'm also fine, Hamza. And yeah, receiving late notification of live session. Oh no, it's not like late notification. I even have started the live today late. So I heard. So that's why I'm taking break as the stream started. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, Mother, what is a good for backend development with this start? Oh, so we have questions are started, so let's answer them. So, what is good for backend development to start Node and Laravel? Ooh, same question, but I'm going to answer. The There's no difference if you are starting any project. If you are good in Laravel, start with Laravel. If you are good in Node.js, start with Node.js. And Laravel can handle millions of users at a time, and there will be no issue with that. So if you are having a Laravel knowledge, then go with Laravel. Do not worry about speed, about the thing people talk between Node and Laravel. So don't think about that. It's not like that. It's only be like if you are next Amazon, if you are next Facebook, then you will need the little difference matter for you. But otherwise, it's totally fine to use Laravel. Yeah, everything is fine, Amitav. I watch from South Africa. Oh my God, South Africa. That's great. Do you have advanced Laravel Udemy course? Please name. Amirul, I don't have any Laravel course on Udemy, but I have my own in-depth Laravel course. So it's indepthlaravel.com. It's a premium course, 32 hours of content, so you can get that. And the reason I'm not having that course on Udemy because Udemy just not good for me, for the pricing issue is there, so that's why. Okay, so next, Praful says he's watching from Bangalore. That thanks, Praful. What about Node.js? Node.js, my point is it's neither Node is good, bad, neither Laravel is good or bad. It's all about you, what you prefer, in which framework you have command. So if you are good in Node, go with Node. No worries. Do you need to learn PHP before learning Laravel? Little bit. At least you have the basic knowledge. What is PHP? What it can do? What are the syntaxes? You need basic PHP. And if you get the OOPS knowledge, that object oriented programming knowledge, then that will be huge benefit when you start the Laravel journey. So obviously, basic PHP and OOPS is required. But if you have other language knowledge like Python, other C++, then you can directly land into Laravel. It will be little difficult for you, but you can learn directly Laravel. You're doing great. Thank Rohan. I watched Laravel 8 job batching. Yeah, that was really great thing. Job batching is amazingly great. Who is better, React or Vue? It's totally depends. Both are amazing, and if people say React is good, they are lying. If people say Vue is good, they are lying. Every framework has its specific need, specific you can say user. But in my opinion, if you want to get job, then go with the React. It's not like Vue doesn't have job. It's like React has more job against Vue.js. So that's the reason. Okay, so next is please suggest me good book on Laravel and increasing interest in coding. Nishant, if you want to increase interest in coding, then go with the clean code algorithm. That's the algorithm book. I forgot that. And I share the programming books on my newsletter. So once again, I can share my newsletter with all of you so that newsletters, yeah, this one. So you can join my newsletter, and every week, like tomorrow I'm going to send one, and every week I send a new book to increase your programming knowledge. It will be not related to any specific language, it's totally about programming. And later maybe I will add some programming language related books, but it's good for now. Uh, so just okay. So Karan says, "What's up, brother? WhatsApp is good, but WhatsApp is bad. Really bad nowadays." Sardak Amitabh says, "I think you can create a FAQ for Sunday Live on your website, and then it will be really helpful. Other, it can cover question and answer to a lot of common question you get." Right. You are right, Amitabh. I think I have to do something for this because every live or every time I go and chat with others, people ask same kind of questions. So I I think I have to answer it in either in a video or in a blog or somewhere. Rohan, buddy, can you please help me with Laravel chat package? I'm looking for a LinkedIn live chat to build in my Laravel website. Huh? LinkedIn live chat? What's that? PHP Laravel future. Can you give suggestion? It's really amazing future. PHP 8 is superb, and don't think that PHP will going to die. It's not going to die. It's not dying language. It's evolving language. It's shining language, and yeah, it's really great. People are having so much of great career with this language. You have heard that Slack is built with PHP. Facebook is still using PHP in some part of their website. So PHP is not going to die. Don't worry about that. Perfect web solution. Thank you, sir, for being here. Convert versus or into and. Uh, I didn't get that. Convert vs or into and. Uh, sorry. Okay. Praful says, do you have community that you can assign assignment for like us people and then verify? I tried community project. We tried actually, but it was total failure. It That is totally because of my fault because I was not able to monitor anything, and other people had job and had work. So it's very hard to monitor something if you are having any kind of community thing. So, and the second reason was like nobody came forward to be the leader for different or any kind of thing. So that was total failure. Maybe next time we will going to strategize and then do something assignment kind of thing. Which type do you prefer, offline book, online? Really offline. Hard. This just yesterday I got this, the richest man in Babylon. So I got this book and really like the physical book. Really great. When you have the book in your hand, it's like yes, you are reading something. Otherwise, it's like you are browsing social media account if you are reading the ebook, unless you have the Kindle. Okay, sir. Hey, sir. I want to increase my coding skill. How can I do that? Read books on programming, and to get which book you have to read, you can subscribe to my newsletter. Link is in the chat section. But I can suggest you the Clean Code is the must read, and there is one more called Algorithm. I forgot their full name, but it's algorithm kind of book. It's little difficult, but it's really worth. I have personally read. Yeah, one is a Pragmatic Programmer. This is amazing book. I have read this Clean Code and Pragmatic Programmer. I need to read this algorithm book. So these two books are really great. You should read them, and that will increase your coding skill. It's not related to any specific language. It's totally thought process, and how you have to think, how you have to proceed, how you have to manage your work. Every kind of thing are given there. I'm coming from Django background and got a job in on Laravel, well paying. I was first confused but realized that it is very simple, easy to learn. Thanks for a tutorial. Oh, Mac design, that's really great. And if you are coming from Django background to Laravel, it was difficult for you because Django has total different way of communicating with the database and showing some, because on their views are actually the controller in Laravel. So this is a different thing. So I love Perfect Web Solution. Great guy. Yeah, he's really amazing. He always come to my live. That's great. Okay, what's that? It's long. So can I learn Ionic because it has many jobs than Flutter? You are wrong, Hardeep. If you are looking for a smaller company, if you are looking for local kind of project, very small project, then Ionic is there. Compared to Flutter, I feel maybe the number of jobs are high for Ionic, but the salary you get will be high in Flutter, or is high actually in Flutter. So go with the Flutter, I feel. And yes, Flutter course is on the way. I've almost completed the Dart course, and soon I'm going to release the pre-sale for that, and releasing the 4 to 5 hour of content on YouTube. Both will be there. So just after Dart complete, just after completion of Dart course, I'm going to land on the Flutter course, and that's why I'm actually not publishing any video on YouTube, because I'm constantly working on these courses. Is Bitfume launch another feature? What kind of feature, Ninja, you want? Can you suggest me? If you suggest, that will be amazing. Now with the context API, should I learn Redux? I don't feel that, because yeah, I feel you have to just learn it. You don't have to master it. It's because in the context API, you need the concept of that Redux, like reducer, how you dispatch things. So I feel you should look into the Redux, but do not use it. It's heavy, in my opinion. Context API is really amazing. If you visit bitfilms.com, it's totally built with Context API, no Redux, nowhere. So it's really powerful. Perfect web solution. Don't think I should learn this or that. Just do learn this and that as well. Like Node, PHP should go with PHP and Node. Okay. Should we write code to learn? Absolutely, absolutely. Whenever you are learning, you first need to get grab the concept, then apply it. I have actually published one video. Actually, I'm publishing some motivational videos nowadays. So that video was like, what is learning? Learning is getting the knowledge and applying that knowledge in practice. If you are just getting knowledge, like watching videos, that's not learning, that's just entertainment. Yeah, somewhat positive type of entertainment because you are getting knowledge, but that's not learning because you are just getting the knowledge. When you get the knowledge, you need to apply that knowledge. This process is learning. Okay, think about this. When you had learned how to ride a bicycle, how you have learned? By reading the book or by really applying that concept? Your parents, your sister, brother told you that, hey, you have to grab cycle like this, you have to pedal it like that. Then what you did, you just listened to them and just sit and looking on the bicycle? No, you just grab the bicycle and start riding it. You fell down, you get some you get hurt, but what you did, you again get the bicycle and start riding, start applying the knowledge you get from your seniors. So this is exactly you have to do when you are learning any programming, anything actually. So you get the knowledge. Tutorials are for giving you the knowledge. They are not just to give they are not able to force you to apply that knowledge in practice. They give you the knowledge, it's your job to grab that knowledge and apply it in real life. Try that, whatever you learn, just try this. You will get hurt, like you will get bugs, you will not you will get different kind of issues that you have not that the instructor has not told you. Then what you have to do, you have to search, you have to google it, stack overflow, then come back to the code, reapply that knowledge, solve that problem. So this is the process of learning. Really, really helpful. And this is a simple way I learn everything. Okay. Some video on chatting application with Laravel React. Okay. Don't blame yourself. Entire failure, we are equally responsible. Yeah. No, it's not like because the project was idea was really amazing. Maybe later on we will revive that idea and work on that when we had time. The real problem is the timing, the time management for particular thing. It's really I'm not going to talk about that. Okay, Rohan, where's that? Rohan Kumble says, Kumble, oh, very nice. Anil Kumble. Do you have any relation with Anil Kumble? Rohan Kumble? Okay. The chat box site on the bottom of every page and chat. Okay, so that's you're talking about the chat bot. Uh, Jashnapreet, is the data structure and algorithm required for web development? It's not required, but if you have the knowledge, that will be beneficial for you. Really, really great thing. You should grab that data structure and algorithm knowledge. Why MNC not prefer PHP? Instead, they use C++, Java for these recruitment, because they feel PHP is dying, which is not. So see, MNCs are like companies are using PHP, but at a large scale, at high level. So whenever they came for recruitment, they will not going to ask you for PHP, because PHP in enterprise level is at that pro level. Okay, it's not at the basic level, so they will not going to ask how you can convert a string into uppercase. They will going to ask how you can load balance a website using Laravel and AWS. So obviously the beginner will not have any clue on that. So they use MNC use PHP, but at very high level. Any blog you prefer, keep update for Laravel and other technologies? Nishant, go with laravelnews.com. No better place for update of on Laravel. Really great. Laravel-news.com. News, yeah, news.com. Uh, I tried Chatify, but its demo doesn't seem okay. I don't know about that Chatify. Praful, can you suggest notebook from beginner to advanced? I don't know about notebooks. Sorry. Veda Agrawal, your series on people for Laravel was awesome, though it's deprecated now. Any plan to series on people? Check out version 2 for Laravel. Maybe it will not be exactly the PayPal series. It will be like a project that include the PayPal. I'm waiting for Laravel 9, that will be scheduled for next week. And once we have that Laravel 9, then we will do one test driven development, creating an API and a project which uses Vue.js in front end. That will be amazing. Okay, next. uh, how much JS should I understand Vue.js properly? At least the basic, how what is JavaScript, how you write JavaScript, how to grab div like document ID, these kind of things. At least you should get one free YouTube video for JavaScript. After that, you can land into the Vue.js. It's really easy. Vue.js is super easy. Someone is from Myanmar. Nice to see you. Yeah. Okay. Let me just complete this. Love to watch. Thanks, Laravel. Need t-shirt and hoodie soon. Nishant, you will going to get. I feel time for hoodie is gone. Winter is gone. So almost gone. Like, so maybe we will share that T-shirt. Sure. T-shirt is sure. T-shirt with a mug or mug then stickers. I will going to do that on my website somewhere. So it will be like Bitfilm merchandise. But I feel like I have to do that after 100K. So much things to do after 100K. Expecting more Laravel tutorial in in-depth Laravel. Yeah, sure. Hemant is there. Hello, Hemant. How are you? It's a long time. And I really want to talk to you. That's why I just took break from the dev talk. It was amazing, but I was missing this conversation and answering your so-called the repeated questions. I really like. When we hear guitar, you will hear the guitar once I cross 100K. Help me to get 100K, and you will get to hear that guitar for sure. Ad are coming. Which ad? Can we have advanced WordPress videos? No, never. No WordPress. Sorry about Nikesh. This is my weakness. Yesterday, Ankur sir put a story about your interview with some. Can I give that link? I forgot. Okay, technical KD. I'm going to share that my interview link on the YouTube post after this live session, and you will get that link from there. Globally required, it helped and it's easy to crack. Yes, Laravel certificate is really great, but I don't think certificate can give you great job. It can help you to get great job, but what I believe, Showcase your projects, so your knowledge. Do some real project. Maybe if it will be open source, then it's going to be great thing. So work on open source. So I just switch Laravel to Node. Then what framework most used of Node in company? Express.js or on any Bitfumes group on Signal? Oh yeah, on Signal. Signal. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. I forgot to create the Signal group. Let me just create it now. New group. New group. And who I can add? I can add Ayush. The numbers I have Kiran Dev. I have added you, and then I can add whom I can add. Let's add people after this. So Bitfumes community here on Signal, and that's created. So Signal group is created. It's like there are a lot of group I have created, but this one is good because after February 8, WhatsApp will be gone because I'm not going to accept their policy. So that's how. Group link, share, copy. Okay, so here we have a Signal group. Okay, so that's you just need to click on that, and you will be here on my Signal group. So let's see who is going to join today. Thank you, technical kitty. Asif Sheikh joined. It's fun, real time. Okay, there is a Discord group where a lot of us are very active. Yes, Discord group is really great, but since I already had that WhatsApp group, and now since we are on Signal, and that if you want to join, but really the great thing of like not great. I can say the biggest one is Discord. We have more than 250 people there, so you should join the Discord actually instead of Signal. It's just for fun I have created. If you want to join, I'm there. Okay, I think I missed various questions. What's the bad comment on your first video? I cannot tell you. It was filled with lots of bad word, but it was very really bad. Nishan says, "Wish for 100K. Congratulations for Travesty Media following. Waiting for T-shirt, sticker, and lovely week next Sunday." Thank you, Nishant, for being here. Prayerful. I know I'm a big fan since you have uploaded React tutorial. High five. High five. Bharat Upadhyaya, are you an Indian? Yeah, totally, proudly Indian. He's from Mars. You have any video on WordPress? Oh, no, I don't like WordPress. Okay, make a video on Laravel Mix. Sure. More films are moving to Nest.js. Yes, Nest is really amazing. Can you create a Laravel PWA? It's not Laravel PWA, it will be just PWA. Then it's a very powerful framework. I have been, yeah, Amitav know about Node.js more than me. So, yeah, so if I saw that. Okay, so do you live code review? Maybe. Do you have any video in? No, I don't have. Alok Pandey, what a different concept like action service repository. Lots of tutorials show it, but basic CRUD in reality. Okay. Uh, do you planning to make videos on Telegram? No. make videos about Docker and how to Dockerize project if you have time. I will work on Docker, but it's lots of things are there. I have to work on Dart, then Flutter, then Laravel, then Node.js, then Django, then lots of things are there. Okay, prerequisite for Dart, nothing. You just need basic programming language knowledge. If you even have a C knowledge or C++ knowledge, that will be good. JavaScript knowledge will be additionally benefit for you. That will be great. Okay, so someone is here to spam. Okay, now done. Okay, sir, are you technical Guruji of Laravel? Tanzimbo, it's really great. Technical Guruji of Laravel. Chair behind you recalling it's Senpai. Please help. What's Senpai? I don't know. Is Go better? Yeah, really amazing. I think I was not clear enough for my question. I'm building a chat application on my Laravel website. Any package, there's a Infi Om chat package. Infi, INFY, Om, OM, Infi Om chat package is there. That will be great. That's created by my friend, and that's really amazing. You should check that out. So please upload a simple project using Flutter as a front end and Laravel as a back end. Yep, sure. Okay, I want to ask you one thing. Getting motivation from your short videos. As Kirandev says, I'm working on the short motivational video. Do you like that? Do you dislike that? And do you think that I need to create a separate channel for just for motivational video, because this channel is a coding channel and a motivational video inside the coding channel is not good? What's your thought about this? Please suggest me. And uh, should I continue this short videos in the future? Should I have a long videos of good motivation books and lots? These are things. So the basic question is, should I continue it or not? Second question is, if yes, then should I create a new YouTube channel for motivation, or it just it's okay to merge the motivational videos in this channel? What's your thought upon that? Okay, keep on going. I really like short videos. Thank Pratik. I really happy that you like that video. Although all those views were not good, but it's just 200, 300 views. But I'm really happy with that. Even if one person life get changed. Please make videos on Node.js Redux. Can you review your setup? Not now. It's totally messed up here. Uh, Maybe in the next Sunday, or once I clean up everything, then I'm going to. Then I will going to review my setup. Coder always motivated. No, I'm talking about my motivational short motivational video. Like I have added 5, 6, no, 3, 4 short motivational videos. So what's your thought? Should I create a new YouTube channel, or keep it there, keep it here actually? Okay, so perfect Web solution. I love WordPress. So people, if you want to learn WordPress, I think perfect web solution must have the WordPress tutorial. So go watch his YouTube channel and learn from him. Okay, Ramanpreet Singh, please tell me, sir, I'm coding and know nothing. Please tell me how to start as C language in my first module, or tell me how to start. If you're new in coding, I suggest go with the Python. Python is having a lot of scope actually. You can go anywhere, everywhere. You can go in web development. You can go in IoT, ML, AI, AR, VR, blockchain. I think I'm not sure. basic programming, backend, everywhere. Python is there. So Nest.js best or Nest? I feel Nest is good. I don't know about Nest. I think motivational video is perfect with this channel, but the video should be short as you are already keeping it up. Great. Great. Dev talks are motivational videos. Yeah, that's good, but that will be here. That but because that dev talk is totally related to the development thing, the coding, programming. But the motivational video, the short motivational video, 20-second, 30-second videos I upload is not actually related to programming. So maybe some people think that since this is a programming channel. And the second point is, since this is a programming channel, YouTube is not going to push these video to more public outside of the programming field. So I should create a new channel for that. Okay, then please tell me, sir, that's done. What is the suggestion for beginner coder? What tip would you recommend for want to keep motivated towards coding? Work on a small chunk. Do not work for like 2, 3, 4 hour. Work for take my 30-minute rule. 30-minute rule says start a timer for 30 minutes. Start learning. Start doing whatever you do. Once the 30 minute is over, stop the timer. Obviously that is stopped. Then go for a walk, drink water, watch, browse social media just for 5 to 10 minutes. It's not like learning for 30 minutes and then you are browsing social media 2 hours. No, just 10 minutes. Then come back, start timer for 30 minutes again, start doing things, and repeat this process. Why this is helpful? Because your mind need refreshment, need you can say broader thinking. Okay, so why you get bored? You get bored because of repetition of same thing. Okay, so if something is not exciting for you, you get bored. So you are taking a break so that your mind will forget whatever you have faced, and you go and take a fresh air, then come back with a new excitement that okay, next 30 minutes I'm going to learn something new. So this is actually motivational. This is how I learn things. uh, when did you start coding for time? Is it like morning, evening, or what you are talking about? I generally start coding early in the morning, like 8, 7, 8. Once I complete my like workout things, then I start coding for 2 to 3 hours. Then I do something else. Does PHP design pattern matters? Yes, they matter. Once you have the design pattern knowledge, it will be really helpful for you to scale, to create a very manageable code that will be amazing with the design patterns. Motivational video makes our mind fresh and always keep us never give up. Be consistent. Kiran, thanks. Yeah, this is really amazing. You always support me. And Tanzim is also there. Go is awesome. Nishant Gupta for huge projects, usually for micro services. Okay, so MD says something. Make a full blog e-commerce with React PHP level. We need to understand fundamental concept. Yeah, sure. When you wake up, I just wake up. I generally wake up at 6, but today I woke up at 8. Sorry. But my daily schedule is 6:15, around 6 actually. Then I go for workout, the jogging, and then workout, then some breakfast, and then start coding. Simple. So this is a simple, nice one. Okay, so uh, maybe we can have these kind of chats about what you should do, or maybe I can add this on my short motivational video. Actually, you should also recommend us some books, best book you read. Ah, Pratik, that's good. That's nice, actually. Maybe I should do that on my motivational videos. I try to do some unique thing very soon. Suggestion to learn UX UI. I'm really bad at that. Sorry, you're asking a wrong person about UX UI. Super bad person in front of you. Really, I don't know what UX UI is good. My mind is a back end mind. So I managed to do something. If you see my website, it's totally inspired from different designs I got on Google Dribble. So no design I have conceptualized, or I it's not inception of my mind. So I'm very bad in UX UI. But I should suggest you to start with the Figma, which is super easy. Adobe XD, learn that. So that will be great. Sir, I read a blog when a guy was charged 14,000 plus USD for ASD sharing portfolio project. Ah, really? Great. This also happened. Amir says, don't use design pattern at first. You need to write your code first and then saw the similar font design pattern refactor love from Iran. Yes, Amir, you're absolutely right. First, you need to understand the basic of any language. And once you are having 2 3 years of experience, then you can think about applying the design pattern. But in my opinion, having the knowledge of design pattern helps you to understand others code. Suppose you are using any package and then you are getting into the coding style. If you have the design pattern knowledge, you really know how they have structured their application. So having the knowledge in early stage of design pattern is amazing for you. How much data take MySQL? If I have a million and million data, can MySQL handle if I want to create Facebook like app? Uh, yeah, in MySQL is you can think about MySQL can handle the. Okay, so I can answer it in a different way. MySQL can handle millions of datas, but it's all up to you how you have written the query to get the data. You have to optimize the queries, properly indexing, properly searching things, and creating your tables in a decent way. That actually matters. Okay, so people say that MySQL cannot handle million of data. No, it can handle, but the problem is they have not written the optimized query. Their queries are taking huge time and that is actually problem with the people. So MySQL can handle. You need to focus more on the optimization of your MySQL queries. Use big data for that. That's amazing thing. Big data is another level. Obviously you are not going to land directly, like in a 2 month you will have a blast on your website. No, until unless you are a signal app, your competitor just done something silly like WhatsApp did and you get millions of user in overnight. So that's not going to happen to you. So start with the MySQL, no worries. Please make video on Postman basic. That's really great. Sir, after 100K MacBook giveaway, Tanzim is going to get MacBook from me. Maybe I will try. I have to actually. Why you are asking me? You know that my YouTube monetization was disabled. I I will win it for sure. Sir, help me to answer this question. Where is the question? Which question? It's a blank. Uh, Tahazot. What I can answer? Okay, so I think it's time to end this live because people are done with this. Sir, what about a tech review channel like Geet Ranjit? I don't know about this Geet Ranjit. What is Geet Ranjit? This is tech review channel. Geet Ranjit. Oh, Geet Ranjit. Okay, got it. I don't know about these kind of channel. I don't know why these channels are so popular. The channels like me, like channel Amitabh, Perfect Web Solution, we are doing so much great thing. We are sharing knowledge. We are helping you to enhance their life. We are helping them to get job, start their own something. But our channel is not growing. They like this Ranjit, some kind of technical channel. What they do, they just open the box, show you the product, and they get millions of views. They get millions of subscribers. What the heck is this? That's really bad. How many hours you're working per day? That totally depends. Sometime 2 hour, sometime 10 hour, sometime 15 hour. That totally depends upon what I am working. But on an average, you can say 8 to 10 hour. Can I use PHP in React Native? Yep, sure. As a backend, yes, you can use. Obviously, you can use PHP as a backend. Okay, so please subscribe to this newsletter. Link is given in chat section on the right top. You can see I have pinned a comment that is uh, for the subs for the newsletter Bitfilm's newsletter. You can go check and subscribe because tomorrow I'm going to send email to 2400 people. So join 2400 people on my newsletter and get to know various things like Bitcoin, crypto, some articles, recommended book for programming. Since there is no dev talk today, so that slot will be removed, and some motivation tips on that. Really great. So once again, join that. Some of the question: have you listened music while coding? Sometime when I know what I am doing, then yes. But when I have to think about that, then I generally switch off the music. Sir, thought on Ionic for mobile app? I don't think Ionic is useful nowadays since we have the Flutter. Good YouTube channel for coding? I'm nothing. Try the this. Array, what's that? Traversy Media. Every kind of video you will get there. Is your course coming on Dartland? Yes. Arti Verena, my course on Dartland is going to come very soon. Very soon means very soon. I have completed almost 30 plus videos on uh, Dart course, and I'm searching for something great, something exciting with the Dart, so that we can have that. That will be two phases. Like one is a 4 to 5 hour of Dart course. The basic one will be free on YouTube, but the advanced one, some different concept will be on the paid course, and that will be on the Bitfilm's website, obviously. And I'm trying this time. I'm also trying this Gumroad, so that I can have a pre-launch for the Gumroad. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, I saw video of Ace Mind with View. No, nice. Say something level security. It's secure. What else you want? What's a Laravel session going to help in Delhi? When Laravel session? Okay, I don't know, Rahul, because I have moved from Delhi, but I'm in the Delhi community. I feel this because of this COVID. I don't think once everything is fine, we will going to have any kind of Laravel session in Delhi. I don't know. Okay, can I upload React.js and PHP HostGator? You can do the PHP, but not Laravel. I feel for Laravel you should go with the DigitalOcean or AWS. Someone is from Kenya. That's great. Thanks for amazing content as always, and enjoy you put in every video show. Thank you, Samuel. And next Sunday we will have another dev talk, and let's see how we can what we can learn from that dev talk. Okay, Mavlon is there. Hi, Mavlon. Where are you from? And I'm learning Nest.js. It's good. Yeah, Technico Abhishek. Kiran, how many institute invites you taking workshop on level? Uh, I get invitation from many institute, but I only accept few. So till now, I have completed four institute workshops, and that all only because of some personal relation with someone from that institute. Otherwise, I generally don't do any kind of workshops. Laravel default auth can be trust for better security. Yes, you can trust. I'm from Uzbekistan. Oh my god, that's great. But I think it's almost 50 minutes, and I want to move on with the different things. So I'm going to end this live. I said this before also, but yes, really, let's end this live because next Sunday we will have one great developer. We will going to see what their journey is, and let's see what we can learn from there. So your education, I did electrical engineering, just that, and after that, diploma in transmission and distribution, electrical transmission distribution. So no degree in CS, no degree in IT. Okay, finally, bye bye, and see you tomorrow. Why tomorrow? See you next Sunday, and doing something great. Oh, one more thing. I forgot. Sorry. I need to ask you all for one thing. One thing is like I'm creating a tool for Twitter automation, and it's just I'm developing it. So if you want to help me to test that out, if you are on Twitter, if you want me to help it to make it bug free, simply you want the beta tester. So DM me on Twitter, and we will going to create a group so that we can chat about that, and what feature you want, what feature you like, what you didn't like, what we can improve on that app. So please DM me if you want to be the part of the beta testing for that Twitter tool. Okay, now I can say you bye bye. Okay, so let's end this live. Ta-da.